How to fix and solve lag on Plants vs. Zombies app. So if you want to fix and solve lag on your Plants vs. Zombies app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store. Go with search, and under search you need to search for Plants vs. Zombies. Now, if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. And even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down and go with apps. And from apps, you need to go with manage apps, which will be on the top. And then you need to go with search. And here you need to search for Plants vs. Zombies. Once you're fine, you need to tap on the application. And then you need to go with clear all data, which will be on the bottom, and tap on OK. And after clearing your data, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go back and restart your device. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.